Hi and welcome to our client's residence in Castle Hill, New South Wales with a new installation featuring the EcoSmart Flex 50 dB firebox installed in a full entertainment unit. This fireplace was framed by Up Developments, finished by Australian Plastering Solutions and Visual Tiling Solutions. This black steel firebox was integrated in a divider room, creating two distinct looks to this space. On both sections, a TV was positioned above the fireplace in a niche, and two recessed shelves were created for decorative items. The changes of grey and beige tiling patterns enhance the difference between both sides and blend nicely with the rest of the living room. How rewarding it is to see our fireplaces from conceptual phase to installation stage. Remember that if you have a concept in mind, you can contact our team of trade specialists and they will help you at any time.